On this video, I want to show you how to use rubber band for quick head wrap.
Dead baby, what's up?
Hello everyone. Hello people. Welcome to my channel. This is Dead Beauty. My people, I'm going to show you how to achieve quick head wrap using rubber band. So what I have there with me is ashoke. I divide the ashoke 20/80. 20/80 mean the shorter part is the 20, the longer part is the 80. But before you do the measurement, you first fold your material. Any material, you can use any material to do this style, akara or any material you have, but just fold it into two and divide the 20/80. The 20 will go up and the 80 will go down by the time you want to cross it at the back side. Okay, my people, see, focus your eye on my hand. See the way I use the 20 to fold it round, take it round and round and round. Then I will now use pin to secure it there. Use pin. Use up to 2 to 3 pin for guarantee. Okay, my people, so the back side, just cover it and use pin. This style is very easy to achieve and is good for all age group. The young people, the middle age, the old people. This style is very unique when you are going to church, you are going to events, your Women's Day program, in fact, you are going to that traditional marriage, any outfit at all, you can use this style for English outfit, native outfit. In case you don't like this style, I have many styles on my YouTube channel and on my Facebook. Okay, my people, by the time you use pin to secure the back side, we are now going to work on the 80. The one I have here with me now is 80, the longer part. Then you fold and fold and fold and fold. Just focus your eye and see the way we are doing the folding. The main part is you just concentrate your eye and make sure you practice. Don't practice your gele on the very day you want to make use of it. No, you can't get it. Practice before the day you use it. In case you are watching me for the first time, I base in United Kingdom, London. We are into makeup. We do gele. We do the traditional bridal hair or Koko Edo bride, and we do for all tribe the traditional bridal hair as well. Okay, my people, please focus your eye and see what I am doing there. Just focus your eye. Okay, book me for your event and we do photo shoot as well. Go and take a look at my Instagram, because my Facebook is very busy. You can't get it. Just go to my Instagram, same name, Dead Beauty. You will see all my job there. In case you want to do photo shoot, you want to book me for your event, my people. Okay, what we are doing now, we are using rubber band. Make sure you use the color. Don't use the color that is very far from the fabric color. Like you cannot use white or use blue. So just use the color that is closer to the color of the fabric you are using. So by the time you manage to achieve that one knot, you try and fold again and create another knot. Okay, my people, in case you want to know more explanation of all my tutorial, follow me on my I have 2 page Facebook page and I have 2 YouTube. In case you are watching me from YouTube, the other of my YouTube, I always do live stream. The name is Dead Beauty Life. Once you spell Dead Beauty, you space, you write life. But the name of my new YouTube is always on my description box in all my recent videos. Okay, my people. So by the time you achieve that 2 front, I don't know how to even describe that 2 flower. That thing will create there for the front. Then you will now use pin to secure the leftover at the back. Then just continue to enjoy this video and see the way we are going to create that nice rose at the front or more. Please, you cannot be left at this season. You cannot say you don't know how to tie gele when you come across my channel. Yes, my people, operation do it yourself. So if you want to learn more how to apply makeup on your face, you want to upgrade, you want to learn more styles, come to my YouTube channel. And when I'm on live on Facebook, I always go live on YouTube as well. So I have 2 Facebook, I have 2 YouTube, Dead Beauty Life and Dead Beauty. Please, my people, follow me on my Instagram, my TikTok. I still go live on TikTok. I just start the TikTok one recently, but I don't know why the video is not saved there after I finish live stream on TikTok. Maybe very soon I will be used to it. Okay, my people. So follow me on my live stream for more chronic explanation on how to achieve your makeup on your face and how to do different head wrap by yourself. Yes, so my people, as you can see, this is the final. It looks so portable. It's beautiful and beautiful and beautiful. So my number is always at the end of all my video in case you want to book me. We sell makeup product as well, and we sell perfume. I'm available to travel, my people. My children don't grow. Contact me for your event. I will give it to you the way you want it. Loud makeup, natural makeup, big gele, small gele, provided you get the material. Oh my God. See you on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.
Looking good and looking nice.
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day. Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go.